Hey math kids, we're in chapter 9 section C and we're only doing one example. So this section is called Trigonometry and example 3. So it wants us to find the angle between the line segment EC and the base plane ABCO. So I'll attempt to draw this. So I'm going to draw EC, so from here to here, and then we want to go across the base plane right there. So we're essentially creating this triangle like that. Okay, so we're looking at ACE, in other words, ACE is the angle we want to know. So a couple things that we can look at. We can see that the height of this rectangular prism is 3. We know that because right here is 3, which means this is also 3. And so we know that EA is 3 units. Okay. And then if we want to find AC, we can use the coordinates. So if we want to do AC, we can use the distance formula. So we're just going to take the difference. So I'm going to do A minus C. So 5 minus 0 is just 5. Then 0 minus 4, negative 4. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we do that. It's 25 plus 16 plus 0. So that's going to be 3041 units. So AC is that length. And if we want to know this angle from, let's see, what color? So if we're thinking of that is theta. So we're going to call this one theta. We can just use tangent. Because we know this angle is a right angle, which is kind of hard to see, but it's essentially like this. If we were able to rotate this out, we would see that this is the height, this is like a perfectly vertical line, and then this is a perfectly horizontal line because it's on the base of this. And so this angle really is 90 degrees. We can think of this like theta. And then we know the distance right here is square root of 41. And we know that the height right here is 3. And so if we go back to SOHCAHTOA, we have the opposite and the adjacent. So we're going to use a tangent. So tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. And if we do inverse trig on that, we'll do an inverse tangent. So we have theta equals inverse tangent 3 over square root of 41. Go to our calculator. Second tangent 3 divided by square root 41 That's not going to be right because I got to switch to radians, or to degrees. Just hit enter again, gives me my degrees, and it's 25.1. Okay, if you need additional help, please come to Math Lab, but until then, calculator.